Yes, sir.
Yes, hi. So I will share my screen. Share screen. Okay. So as as our work on the node part, we added some new metrics to the node, especially to the Prometheus endpoint. And I will demonstrate this. We need to start a standalone node for this. Okay. Okay. So what we added was our JVM metrics, for instance, and we can access them. Oops. Okay, we have to wait, I guess, 30 seconds or something like that to add this metrics. And so this will be metrics about CPU usage, garbage collection, memory pools, memory usage, and thread pools. Oh, here they are. So it's a lot, right? And for example, memory heap usage. It's not really for humans to read, it's Prometheus, right? So we have also exposed the same metrics over our gRPC API. To collect these metrics, just for presentation purposes, there is also this diagnostics option on our node with -d, where we can fetch the same metrics over gRPC. And this looks much, much better, I guess. So what we see here is are the node call metrics, how many peers we have, CPU load, memory usage, heap memory, non-heap memory, memory pools, non-heap, and what you have. Then we have the garbage collectors, and finally the threads. Yeah, okay. We have also the store metrics. I forgot about the store metrics. We also added some store metrics, how much we use actually space on the disk. So yeah, you can access this over two APIs, right? Over Prometheus and over gRPC for integration with your systems. The second part I would like to demonstrate, it's not much. The second part I would like to demonstrate is we moved to a new transport layer away from UDP to TCP in combination with gRPC and protobuf. So we are now using TLS certificates to secure the transport layer. And to start up a node, you need to provide them. Or if you will not provide them, they will generate it for you. So I provided them here for this Bootstrap node because I need to know a fixed address. But it's there. Let's take cat. It's what is it? Development, RChain data, node one, node certificate PAM, right? This is the certificate for the Bootstrap node, for my standalone node, which I will spawn again here. Here, node one. You can see. Is there actually the font big enough? Can you see everything?
Yeah,
it is for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. So okay, as you can see, I'm spawning here node one. You can recognize this by the data dir as standalone. Okay, so here is our node address, and in previous versions like .3, this was some arbitrary random address, or you could provide it by an option on startup. But now it's actually a generated address from the public key from the certificate. And at this moment, this is based on the SecP 256 R1 elliptic curve. But we will eventually move to SecP 256 K1 curve. But we decided to use R1 for this moment because we are investigating some things with dependencies, and we want to make sure that it works on every platform with OpenJDK. And yeah, so we have our standalone node, and let's spawn a second node. Let's make sure that we have no certificates in the node 2. Okay, no matches found. So node 2. Okay, this is it. This is a bootstrap address, the same. F1, yeah, that's it. Okay, what you can see here is no certificates found at pass. So we generate it for you. And we use R1 curve. And as you can see, it's still working. We didn't break it. Our new transport layer of our gRPC is working. You can see that on both sides we have peer 1. And one feature of this is if you try to, Control C. If you try to connect to some bootstrap node and you got the wrong address, perhaps the node that shut down and a new node did spawn with a different address, and you expect that you are connecting to a completely different node, then the node will not spawn up, because I'm not sure if we are logging this at this moment. But yeah, if not, we will add some logs to this. But the node recognizes that the server we are talking to is not the server we are expecting to talk to, because the server has a different identifier. So this public key part is different. Yeah, that's actually it, I believe. Or was there something else I would like to demonstrate? Do you know, Meta? No, this was transport layer and metrics, right?
Yes, I think so. That's it. I haven't run the Prometheus piece of it. I believe Jeremy probably has. Kelly, is Jeremy the one that really knows how to run the Prometheus visualization?
Jeremy does, and there's a very detailed how-to guide in GitHub.
Okay.
I'll put a link to it.
Yeah, under Docker, we only have the one metric, the peers. I have that in, we'll add that on in the next sprint. We'll add the other metrics because we just added a slew of metrics in there so they can visualize all this stuff. So we'll be getting that in.
Okay, very good.
But people can add whatever they want into it. It's pretty easy. So.
Terrific. Okay, sounds good.